Hello students, our today's topic is articles. A, an and the. These are the articles. We have been reading the articles from our childhood. So now we will learn more about these articles. Words such as a and the are known as articles, and an article always comes before the noun in a sentence. From the childhood, we knew it. A is used before a noun beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before a noun beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. So, we always write a friend and an artist because F is a consonant and A is a vowel. But again, we also know that the dog is a useful animal. Why should we use A before U, which is a vowel? Because when U is pronounced like EU, that time we always used the A before the noun. Okay. Now we will learn about more about these articles. Articles are of two types, indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite means a, an, and definite means the. An indefinite article modifies any common noun in its singular form. Okay. And why it is called the indefinite? Because the words a or an are called indefinite articles because these words do not refer to any definite person or thing. It always comes as a common form. It never indicates any definite or particular person or thing or object. So, a or an are indefinite articles. For example, we can say rainbow in sky is beautiful. There is no mentioned rainbow here. So, these are indefinite articles. Okay, when do we use the indefinite articles? Number 1, before countable nouns in their singular form, like a student, a chair, a flower, an ant, an apple. Okay, a countable noun means the nouns which we can count. Number 2, to define or describe a person or an object. For example, an engineer, a mobile phone, a student, an important watch, like this. Number 3, when a proper noun is used as a common noun. How? For example, we need a Gandhi to stop violence in India now. It means when we used a proper noun as a common noun to identify or to indicate something for an expression, that time we use the proper noun as a common noun. So that time we use a or an, not the. Next, number 4, in some expressions that contains idioms, like Mukul was in a hurry. Okay, in these times we use a or an. And when we do not use a and an, before countable nouns in their plural forms and before uncountable nouns, because a and an signify one. We know that a means or an means one. One thing, one object, like this. But these things can be any one. Okay, these things cannot be particular, cannot be definite. For example, I have chairs in my study. Okay, but we cannot write I have a chairs, because it already indicates one chair, and here we are having the chairs, means the plural form of the noun. Next, before an adjective not followed by a noun. He is brilliant. Okay, here we cannot write he is a brilliant. Why? Because before an adjective, a or n cannot be allowed to write. Okay. Next, when the noun is preceded by another determiner, like this is a poem of mine, but we cannot write this is a my poem. Okay, so we cannot use a or n in these matters. Now, definite articles. Definite article means a definite article is used when we want to refer to a particular person or object. Why do we call it definite? Because the word the is called definite article because it refers to a particular person or thing. Okay, like the metro train in Delhi has made life easier. Here, metro trains in Delhi is indicated by the metro train in Delhi. Okay, now when do we use definite articles like the in singular nouns? The exercise you did today was difficult. The exercise. Here, singular noun is indicated by the word the. Plural nouns like the exercises in this chapter are very interesting. Here also, in a plural noun, we use the word the or the definite article. Number 3, nouns already mentioned. For example, I am writing a poem now. The poem is about nature. Okay, when we are indicating something for the second time, that time we use the definite article. Next, uncountable nouns when a particular or definite reference is made to them, like the milk is stale. Here milk is uncountable noun. Okay, but we use the here as the milk is stale. Next, ordinals such as first, second, third, next, further, etc. The first letter of the English alphabet is A. As same we can use the in before, second, third or next anywhere. Next, adjectives in the superlative degree. We know the comparative, positive and the superlative degrees, and the is one of the indicator that indicates always in degree that this is the superlative degree. Whenever we see the is present in degrees, we always know that this is the superlative degree. Musical instruments like the drums, the guitar, okay, names of seas, oceans and rivers, the Ganges, the Bay of Bengal, the Atlantic Ocean, like this. Okay, some countries like the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Mountain ranges like the Alps, the Himalayas, okay, and well-known building also, that the Red Fort, the White House, like this. Always in newspapers, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, okay, and trains and ships, the Darjeeling Mail, the MV Harshavardhana, like this. In these things or these matters, we can use the definite articles. Okay, now there is always being a confusion about in so many things that where should we use a or where should we use the. Okay, for example, we can say when we refer to one object or person in general, we use a or an. A and an come under the indefinite articles. When we refer to something or person in particular, we use the, which is the definite article. For example, we can see in number A, I want to buy an oven. It means any oven, not a particular oven. When we went to a shop to buy an oven, then it could be any oven that I like. So here we use an oven. Number B, where is the oven? I would like to warm up the pizza. Okay, here your friend already has an oven. You are looking for that particular oven. So here we use the, because we are looking for a particular oven. Number C, I sprained my back recently. I need a porter to carry my luggage. So I need any porter. I don't indicate any particular porter or anything. I just need a porter because of my help. Okay, here we use A. And the next, number D, the porter there will help you. It means someone pointing to a particular porter, okay, to help me. So here we use the. Okay, next, we use a or an when something is mentioned for the first time. We use the when the same thing is mentioned for the second or more times. For example, Anu, I am going to open a packet of cereal. First mention. Next time, Amit says, is that the packet mom brought yesterday? It's my turn to open the packet. It means second time and the third time the same thing used, but first time we used a before the noun packet, and second or third time we use the before the noun packet. Clear? Okay. Somewhere we never used the articles. Okay, articles never used some things or some matters that we should not use the articles. With uncountable nouns, when we make a general statement, okay, like I love coffee. This is the thing, we cannot write I love a coffee or the coffee. Okay, next, before the names of meals if referred to in a general manner, like I had a late lunch. Okay, but shall we have the dinner now or shall we have the lunch now? We cannot say like this. Next, before the names of hours or days or months, like I'll meet you on Monday, but we cannot write that I will meet you on the Monday. Okay, when talking about sports, like we play tennis every day, that is we are used to do it, we can say we play tennis every day, but we should not write the she plays the badminton. Okay, this is a wrong sentence. Before the names of languages or countries, okay, here we cannot write the word or the articles before any country or any language, like the Nepal is the national language of, sorry, the Nepali is the national language of Nepal, but we write Nepali is the national language of Nepal. But we always used the in some countries. Now which countries? The countries in which names there is of is present there. Okay, the word of, in which countries the word of is present, before that country we use the, like the United States of America, and always in are the plural forms like the Netherlands. Okay, so here is the article a and the small description of the articles a, an and the. Okay, thank you.